Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 30 how to check your notifications on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, click on Twitter, make sure you're signed into your account, go to your profile, and then go to your notifications, which is located on the left side navigation bar. Click on notifications and then wait for notifications to come along, as the more you tweet, the more notifications you may receive. In this video, I will be using another account to like the tweet on this account, so we can then see the notification that now comes on screen. Command R to refresh, and there we see the notification on screen that my tweet was liked by another account. Go back to your profile, quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.